new part that we made, the quarter trim for a convertible. We've eliminated the metal bracket. Our fiberglass panel is made to tuck around, and on the other side, when Andrew goes around, you'll see the two mechanical fasteners, one at the bottom and one at the top. So your fasteners are virtually hidden. Nice finished edge. So if you're displaying your car with the top down, you're going to see that nice finish edge that comes off on it. As well as in this car with shoulder harnesses, we made new covers to cover up the shoulder harnesses. So just kind of clean it up, give it a little fancier look. It goes with the rest of our fiberglass interior. Just thought we'd share that to you and point it out. Thanks for watching.